welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. All right, y'all. Ooh, this video right here, I've been waiting to do this video. I could not wait to do it. I'm telling you, when I tell you I could not wait to do this video, I could not. I've been contemplating on doing it for about a week and a half maybe now. And now it's time to get it done. Excuse the mess behind me. I am in the midst of washing my mason jars because I am getting my kitchen ready and all this stuff. I had cases of mason jars I needed to wash so I can start putting things in them. So excuse that. I got them drying on the table, then I'm being washed and all that stuff. But let's go ahead and get into this video. This is a gardening video. Okay, we about to drop some seeds, but I'm about to use this particular thing that I think is fun, and yeah, I think it's fun, so that's why I'm doing it. Let me go ahead and say this video is not a sponsored video. I have videos from this company that was sponsored. You can look at my collaboration, or it's gonna say in the playlist collaboration or sponsorship videos or something like that. Check the playlist, find that list, and you will see more items that was sponsored through this company, but this particular one is not. I actually bought this myself. Alright, y'all, so the item is this right here. So this is the microgreens grow kit. Like I said, I purchased it myself, but I want to try it out. I have a lot of their products, well, they were sponsored. Some stuff I bought myself, so I want to see. So this is the Back to the Roots microgreens grow kit, and I think it'll be fun if you do it by yourself, if you do it with your kids or whatever. I think it's just fun. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and see what this is all about. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, oh, it's a ceramic thing. And y'all know I grow microgreens in all different type of ways or whatnot. So yeah, I just wanted to try this. Let's see. So one is say expand the soil and plant the seeds. All right, so this is the container. This is what it looks like. It say Back to the Roof. It's sturdy. It's ceramic. So you're gonna place this. This is the soil that come with it, the little soil brick. So place the organic soil disc in the ceramic planter and add 1/3 cup of water on top. Okay, 1/3 cup of water. I had pulled some water out because I mean, you know, you're gonna need it. And I pulled out a couple measurers because I didn't know which one. So I got my third one right here, 1/3. Pour it in here. And we're gonna pour it on there. All right, just like that. And it says allow 30 seconds for the soil to expand. Then spread it out in an even layer. If parts of the soil remain dry, add more water in tablespoon increments until it's fully expanded. I'm reading like that because it's so little, so I'm trying to make sure I stay on the line. The writing, that is, but that's fine. Open the enclosed seed pack and sprinkle all the seeds evenly across the soil. Add an additional 3 tablespoons of water over your seeds to help with germination. So it is starting to expand, as y'all can see. And I'm gonna have to spread it out. It said 30 seconds. I'm trying to see. Has it been about 30 seconds? Some parts is still dry. So I'm going to add some. It said in tablespoon increments. I do half of this because this is a 2 tablespoon. So I do half. Turn this board upside down. Okay. go. Okay. I'm gonna need a little bit more because I can tell it's dry. So I do another half tablespoon. Whoa. Okay. I enjoy this so much, y'all. I really do. I hope y'all enjoying it too. Let's see. And I got this from Target. I got this. I'm pretty sure they may have it at other places that Back to the Roots have their items in, like Walmart. Like I said, I got this from Target. I don't know if they have it at, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I don't know if they have it at Tractor Supply, that brand. I think I saw some. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I like how they know that bar gonna give you the right amount of soil that you need. Let me stick my fingers in here and get that off. Okay. So it said open the pack. And you're gonna sprinkle these seeds. So it say microgreens, broccoli, cabbage, kale, and kohlrabi. Oh, that's a lot of seeds. Look. Yeah, and it said, make sure it say open and close packet and sprinkle all the seeds evenly, okay? So, oh wait, I don't want to lose none there. Don't want to lose none. We want all our seeds. All our seeds. And say it evenly, so I'm doing it evenly. Okay, that's it. It say organic microgreens, okay? Alright, so I did that. Then it said add additional 3 tablespoons of water over the seeds to help them germinate. Okay, additional 3 tablespoons. So this is a 2 tablespoon. So I'm gonna add okay. I'll do a half on now. That'll be my 3. Alright. Got that done. Alright, so it say cover your tray for 48 hours. Place the lid on top of the ceramic planter and cover for 48 hours. There is no need to add more water during this time. Covering the tray helps to keep the seeds moist and give them the best chance to grow. When you remove your lid, you should see sprouts popping out of the soil. Okay? Okay? So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. So this is the lid. Okay? So it's a Back to the Roots. And it's a day 1, plant and water. Day 2, relax, no water. Day 3, uncover and water 3 to 5 tablespoons. Day 4, water 3 to 5 tablespoons. Day 5, water 3 to 5 tablespoons. Day 6, water 3 to 5 tablespoons. And day 7 through 10 is grow 1. You see, it say grow 1, give 1, and harvest. So we're going to put this right here. We're going to put the lid on it. Alright, just like that. Alright, so the third instructions probably is the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. But it say add 3 on step 3. Okay, after the 48 hours, it's ongoing watering 3 to 5 tablespoons per day. Add 3 to 5 tablespoons of water per day until harvested. Microgreens grow well in direct or indirect light, but watering periods vary based on the temperature and amount of sunlight. If you see your plants dying out add an extra 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. And then step 4 say harvest your greens between 7 and 10 days. You can begin harvesting your microgreens just 7 days after planting. Harvest some each day. Hold up, where I lost my line. Harvest some each day or all of them at once. It's up to you. Use scissors to cut the stems just above the soil and wash them thoroughly before eating. Be sure to harvest all your greens by day 10. They'll stay fresh in your refrigerator for several more days. See refills along with delicious recipes see refills along with delicious recipes are available at backtotheroots.com. Seed refills. Seed girl, seed. I be looking all over the place. But so there we have it. So in one of these vlogs coming up or whatnot, I will definitely let y'all know what happens. Okay, so I'm going to, because it's like that, I'm gonna put it right over here on my countertop, because we're gonna get down to 18 degrees and my garage is gonna be cold tonight, so I don't want to mess with the germination. So I am literally going to put, let me do this, them right over here on my countertop, because that's fresh soil and all that. I'm gonna set it over here on the countertop. But y'all, that was fun. That was fun to me. That was fun, you know. I really enjoyed that. I know. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this little quick video growing microgreens, but using the Back to the Roots little microgreen kit. Comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you're gonna try it. You can grow microgreen any kind of way, but like I say, this was just something I picked up because it's different. It's different than the little containers I be putting my microgreens in. So yeah, and spring is coming and all that, and I'm excited. It's time for me to drop seeds. I should have done drop seeds, but yeah. So yeah. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If it's God's will, y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Bye.